Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Google Chrome on laptop and PC. And for this I'm using right here Microsoft Edge, and right now what we need to search for is download Google Chrome and then do enter. Then right now you see this page right here and then click here on Google Chrome download. Then right now the page is loading and now click here on download Chrome. And then right now, here the setup is starting. Then click here on the setup. Please do yes. And right now it's in Dutch because my Microsoft Edge is in Dutch. But he is saying install and make a connection with Google. Right now he is installing Google Chrome and right now here it is. So this is seriously how easy it is. This is how it works and hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.